How to change the battery in the key fob of a Cadillac Lyriq. It's very easy to do. You're going to need something like, you can maybe do it with your finger, but you're better off having like a real small flathead screwdriver, or I have this little pick here that's real flat on the end. And then you're going to need your key, obviously, and then you'll need the replacement battery, which is a CR2450 battery. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description if you don't have the battery for it, but it's really easy to do. We're going to start by just removing this emergency key here. We're going to press this button right here like this, and press this little button here to release, and then pull this out. Once we do that, we're going to come around here to the where we pulled this out, and you see this little notch here, this little gap right here. We're going to put the key in there. So we're going to put our key in there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of just push. And if you see, after you push, this pops this open here. Once that opens here, then we're going to have, it has this little cover that we're going to peel back off of our battery, and then we have to get our battery out of here, and it's quite tight in there, and that's where this little tool comes in. You can just come in here with a little flathead screwdriver, or with a tool like this, just come in underneath it and pop your CR2450 battery out. Come in with your new battery, and we're just going to basically do everything in reverse. Put the battery in, put the cover back on, and then you'll see this has these two tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. Doesn't really matter how you start, but you're going to have to kind of pop those in. So that pops in like that. And then we're going to go ahead and just slide this key back in here, and we're done. So if this video helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to see more real quick tutorials on this car and others.